Hello everyone, and thank you for joining vFORUMOnline 2020. My name is Mati Baron. I am the Cloud Management Regional Sales Specialist, part of the Cloud Management Business Unit here in Vmware. And welcome to the 2 steps ahead of the future, the Vmware Multi-Cloud Management session. In the next 15 minutes or so, I will try to explain to you how VMware were able to build and develop in the past few years a unique management solution, an open management platform, which you can manage all your workloads, your infrastructure, your application, no matter where they're running. If it's in your private cloud, or if it's on your public cloud. So let's start, please. In today's market conditions, we all know that not the biggest companies that survive. It is the ones that can adapt to changes. And in order to adapt for changes, you need to have a business agility. And what is business agility? Business agility is driven by software agility, meaning to run your software, your business application, anywhere without ever worry about the infrastructure. And we all know by now that cloud can bring you this kind of freedom. Cloud can be on your data center. Cloud can be your private cloud. It can be on your edge. It can be on your DR. It can be on, of course, on your public cloud provider. But cloud need to be secure, agile, resilient, scalable, and should offer a rich set of services. But cloud can bring a lot of complexity. And there is a second part. They are the developers that really want different kind of agility. They want to have the latest and greatest technology. Technologies like containers, technologies like serverless. And they want to be on the multiple clouds from different reasons, because they have a different kind of services that they are getting from the from the public clouds. So they want to get all the services from multiple cloud, and we need to manage and run multiple cloud. And those new challenges and requirements are our vision for cloud management, which is very, very simple. It is how to create a set of solutions that make cloud complexity invisible to you, so that you can focus on transforming your business, on your digital business transformation. That's our vision, very simple. And how do we do it? We took all the VMware infrastructures solution, all the software-defined data center solution, all the compute, all the storage, all the network, and we create a software-defined solution and make them available everywhere, in the edge, in the data center, and even on the public cloud. We have a solution that called VMC and AVS and GVCS. It's VMware on AWS. It's VMware on Azure, AVS, and on GCP. So you can get all this VMware stack, the SDDC, everywhere. And on top of all those SDDC solution, the virtualized solution, we put a layer of management solution that convert all the infrastructure to a cloud API. VMware Cloud API, meaning you have now a standard compute, storage, and network images, so you can now build a set of services, build your own services, and now you create your VMware Cloud very similar to your public cloud. So with the VMware Cloud Management, you get the same look and feel of the public cloud that you're getting from the public cloud provider. On top of that, we've put another layer, same as below layer, but not just for VMware SDDC technology. Now it's a multi-cloud management layer with cloud agnostic API, where all the clouds look similar. All your VMware and public cloud infrastructure, your compute, your storage, your network, and of course, all the different services from the different clouds looks similar, that now you have a common performance optimization, a common costing, a common governance across all the clouds, a common template, a one service catalog to provision and deploy services across all the clouds, across VMware clouds and all the public clouds, with common monitoring and troubleshoot, which is very, very important, how to manage and operate those services across the multiple clouds. And that's what our multi-cloud management solution offers. The portfolio of the products that give you the multi-cloud management is very simple. It's the vRealize product family, which for a long time by now, the vRealize operation, the vRealize automation, and CloudEarth, which VMware acquired in 2018. So vRealize is for all the automation and operation tasks, and CloudEarth is for all the public clouds costing. That's the complete story. So you can imagine now that you have resources that can be spread around the different clouds, different location, different geos. And you have the ability to deploy any workloads to any region without worry about where to deploy them, how to deploy them, if there is enough resources, and the data center is optimized. We took care to virtual the infrastructure across the multiple data centers, across the multiple clouds, and provide platform which you can do everything you need to run your infrastructure and application, to provision, to automate, to do costing analysis, performance optimization, monitoring, troubleshooting, and very important, governance across all the clouds. And how we do it, how we did it. The way we build it is that we have come up with different kind of steps to provide you seamless consumption from your different clouds, from your VMware private cloud up to all your public clouds with one integrated platform across all the clouds. And we have broke it up to several steps. Setup, deploy, manage, and run. Let me explain you each steps and what is the role of each step. The first step is to set up all your cloud accounts and assign the different resources, the different clouds from your private cloud, from your public clouds, and even mix between resources from different clouds, and assign them to a project, to a group, to a user, to a specific user, to a specific developer. At the end, the setup phase is how do you want to use your cloud infrastructure, your cloud resources, your cloud services, and how do you want to assign them, to assign your resources, and to who, and for how long. And therefore, it's very, very important step. We can automate setup from virtualization, from vCloud Foundation, from VMC, from public cloud, to a catalog and to a policy. We can create network and storage profile for cloud zones. We created tenants across compute, storage, network, images, content. We create a project. We create a user account that can be ready to use from the catalog. So that's the first step, the setup. The second step is to deploy set of operation to your different environments, to different clouds, to the VMware clouds and or your native public clouds. So now you can start and deploy everything, your application, your workloads, your machines, whatever you want. You can deploy it through UI, through API, through infrastructure as a code access across cloud. You can integrate it out of the box with systems, third-party systems like IPAM, like configuration management, like Terraform, and of course, public cloud services. You can automated infrastructure. You can automated application and service deployment with a pipeline that the way your developers working. You can manage Kubernetes clusters and namespaces. So in this phase, on this step, you can deploy and provision and you orchestrate your infrastructure and application. Everything automated. And the third phase, or the first step, is after you set up your cloud account, after you deploy your workloads, your application, your services, is how you manage all your workloads, your existing ones or the new project. How to manage all your operation, your end-to-end operation. What we can do is we can onboard and monitor brownfield application with our app discovery. And then we can enforce policy for provisioning discovered resources across organization, across project. We can monitor and view SLA for all the services. We can now troubleshoot issues with our AI and ML engine. It's driven by root cause analysis. We can provide visibility tools. We can provide out-of-the-box integration to our Skyline services, which is our support center, with all the knowledge that they have. We can remediate issues and automated actions with powerful out-of-the-box and custom workflow. So if we have issues, we can remediate it and reduce the time of any kind of failure. We can provide a single glance view and with action insights that we can choose. We can have a capacity and performance per user, and we can choose what to do next if you have any kind of issues, if you want to add or remove resources for specific application, for specific server, for specific developer or user. And the last step is how you monitor and secure your application. We provide built-in pipeline templates in catalog with unified deployment views with your health metrics, your costs, your security, compliance, and usage. And we provide a comprehensive application view to your entire deployment with all the data you need. Again, with all your metrics, as you can see, with your cost, with the performance, with the memory, with the storage, for the entire deployment, for all the layers that you build and create your service. So to summarize, no matter if your application are running in one or multi-cloud environments, in only VMware technology, the software-defined data center, the vCloud Foundation, or with your public cloud native solution, we can provide to you an end-to-end comprehensive cloud management solution with the best operation, automation, and costing platform to your current and future needs. With that, I would like to thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of vFORUM. Thank you.